Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I will review food, but before that I want to explain about this product. By the way, this product is made by me myself, okay? Let's go straight to the food review. Let's go. Okay, this our product or food that will review yep. This is cake. Yo. Okay, bake a pandan sponge cake and top it with cheese. So half to this sponge cake has a pandan sponge, and cake also bake brownies, and this cake is really suitable to be enjoyed with the coffee or tea. This tea. Let's try. The pandan cake tastes really cheesy. I like the pandan cake and the tea and the cheese and the mousse and the bottom part is also quite sweet. Maybe this could be a recommendation for those of you who like to drink coffee or tea. This is suitable as this, and this made from ingredients premium. Yes guys, I really like pandan cake because it's really soft. Maybe that's all for my review. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you. Bye guys.